Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about Scratch. So what is Scratch? Scratch is the best introduction to coding for kids. It is basically a programming language which is specially designed for kids that allow the kids to create their own interactive stories, games, animation and many more. Scratch is the world's largest coding community for the children's. So here's a Scratch screen. So I will open the Scratch screen and I will show you that how you can create different games, stories and many more on Scratch. So for this you have to go to the Google and write Scratch and then click on create. When you click on create, it will load for 1 minute and then it will load like this, creating a project, loading sounds, loading your blocks and everything, and then it's done. So this is the basic interface of a Scratch screen. So here let's introduce the introduction. So here on the right side you can see the stage. This is the stage. This area is called the stage. On the stage your character will move. This cat is your character. You can change the character. I will show you how you can change it. On the left side you can see these all are the blocks. So these are the blocks basically. Here you can see motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, and there's so many blocks, over 100 blocks to help you to create the program very easily. In the middle area, this is the script area. Script area is basically used to write the code. So here we will make a program. So how can you make the program here? You have to drag the blocks like this, move 10 steps. I drag the block here into the script area. Now you can see it's done. So when I click on this, move 10 steps, my sprite will move because this is a move block. So these all the blocks are present here. You can click here just on this dot, operator block, sensing block, and you can see over 100 blocks here. You have to drag all the blocks into the script area and then the program will done. So first here is your cat. So you can delete the cat by clicking on this pen. The cat will delete. After deleting this cat, then you can choose a new character. Okay, so here you can see choose a sprite. Sprite is your character. You can also say it a sprite or character. So choose a sprite, click here. When you click on choose a sprite, here you can see so many sprites. So these are your characters. There's animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, and so many. So you can scroll down by this and then you can see there are so many here. These all are the characters. You can choose any character which you like and which is according to your game. Like if I use a dinosaur, here I will just click on it and then wait for 1 or 2 seconds and then it will appear. So this is my character. So now I can choose a background for it. Look, the stage is white. So you can also change the background of this stage by clicking on this backdrop. Just click on this backdrop button and now you can see so many backgrounds ideas for your game. Like we can choose a desert. You can choose any background which you like. So here I choose a desert like this. And now this area is set for my game. So first of all you have to set the area, like you have to choose the character and a background to set the area, and then you can start writing the code. So here you can also change the dinosaur. So here go to costume. Here you can see the costume button. In the costume button you can also see there are different poses of the dinosaur. There are different positions. Look at the position 2. If you want your dinosaur will look like this, you can choose the position 2. Like this. This is a position 3. You can choose the position 3. You can also choose the position 4. Moreover, you can also change the color of your dinosaur. Like you don't like this color, you can change the color. Just click on fill and now you can set the color. You can set the brightness of your color, like let it make it like a peach color. So just select this and then choose this fill with color bucket and just fill your dinosaur. So here fill all the parts, put your cursor here and then just click it, and now your dinosaur color is changed. You can see on the output on the screen, on the stage side, the output will show on the stage side. So on the right side of the stage, you can see the output of your blocks. So here you can see the dinosaur color is changed. So in this way you can set the color. You can also change the position of your characters. Here is the third block, sound. Sound block is used to add a sound. You can also add a sound to your game to make it more interesting. To make it more nice, you can add a sound. So sound block is also in the code block. When you click on sound, now you can see play sound pop. It's initially pop like this, a pop sound. But you can change the sound and you can also record your own voice. If you want that in your game, you can add your own voice by clicking on this button. Just click on record and now you can record your own voice and you can add your own voice to your character very easily. Okay, so we learn about costume, sound blocks, and here's the code block. Now the code block are basically used to make a program. So here in the middle of the screen we will make a program and then we will run it with the help of this green flag. This green flag button is used to run the program. So we will run it and then you can see all the things. You can also click on this button to make your stage full screen, or you can see the stage in the bigger size. And to minimize it, you can click on again on it and then it will look like this. Moreover, you can save your Scratch project here. Click on File and then save to your computer. And here on the Untitled, this is Untitled because I didn't give any titles. You can erase this and you can give a title of your own choice and then you can save the file. Next time you have to load from your computer and then you can load your previous save project. Moreover, you can also share your projects with other people by clicking on this share button. You can share your project to many other people and you can also create an account like here I create. So you can also create your account, you can check the profile, you can check the My Stuffs. Your all Scratch project will record in your My Stuff. So they all are safe, you can use it anytime. So this is the Scratch. So Scratch is a block-based programming language in which we are using drag and drop method. We drag the blocks into the script area and then we drop them. In this way, your kids can learn the programming very easily. So this is the basic of Scratch. Inshallah, in the next lecture,